Hey everybody, it's John here again with Online Verve, and thanks so much for watching my video. Today I want to talk to you about how to make $20 to $50 every day online by just typing what you hear. So we're going to be talking about transcription services, but don't let that throw you. There's some really awesome benefits to this, and it's actually pretty easy as well. So number one, what are the benefits of doing transcription type jobs? You don't really need any kind of experience to do these. They're worldwide, so no matter where you live, you can get jobs doing this. It gives you all kinds of great freedom and flexibility, which is what we all want. You can work when you want, pick up jobs as you want. You get paid weekly in most of these, so regular paychecks. A lot of them also get you set up with the training and coaching, so you don't have to come in with any kind of expertise. As long as you show a diligent effort to work and you're reliable and you do a good job and you're learning, then they will take care of you. And you can really easily make $20 to $50 without a lot of effort. So stay with me to the end, because what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a couple of these sites, but you'll get access. I'm going to show you how you can get access to 6 of the top sites for these types of services, as well as I have a report that you can get, and I'll show you where that's at. And that'll show you 5 other ways to make money online. So what we're talking about today is just one of 6 different ways about how to make money online and the methods that you can use. I'm going to show you how you get started and how you can scale this up. We talked about $20 a day. That's very realistic, but you can scale this up quickly to $100 a day as well. And I hope that you'd please subscribe to my channel. I have one big goal for you, and that is to help you make money from home, because again, I want you to have that freedom and have that flexibility that you deserve. So please subscribe. I'm going to keep making videos to help you get that freedom and flexibility. If you could give the video a thumbs up and like it, that would be awesome as well. All right, let's jump to. Okay, so as we jump in here, I'm going to cover 2 really good transcription services. And this first one is called SpeechPad. And when you come on here, it's going to show you, again, some of these benefits. Work when you want. There's no cost up front. As long as you have a computer with a good internet connection, you're all set. They're going to pay you, well, this one pays you twice a week, okay, no matter how much you earn. So there's no minimum to get paid. And you're free to work on what you want. So there isn't any kind of quota. You don't have to, meet any kind of deadlines, etc., other than when you pick up a job. So you just choose your niche, change it up, etc. So now they have 2 different services. Transcriber pays 25 cents to $2.50 per minute. And so if you, let's pull up the old calculator, 25 cents a minute for an hour's worth of work should be like $15 an hour. Not too bad for a part-time job, $15 an hour. Obviously, $2.50 an hour is going to be $150 an hour. So obviously you have opportunity there to, $15 an hour up to $150 an hour, somewhere in between. So pretty good money. Now, if you qualify to be a translator on the site, then I would say that's quite a bit more. Here you can start at $2 an hour. So you're talking, you're starting at $120 an hour up to $5. I'm sorry, $2 a minute, up to $5 a minute. So pretty good opportunity if you can translate. So all you do is just go on and hit apply now and fill out the application. Definitely take some time, to read through the FAQ. How do I become? What skills do I need? What kind of equipment? Are there minimums, etc.? Types of jobs. How do you get qualified? How do you make sure you're qualified? This site, like most, has a rating system, so you got to make sure you keep your rating up so that you can keep getting jobs. And this is a great one. So if you if you're able to type and you always thought about doing transcription, definitely come and check out SpeechPad. Now, another one that we're going to look at is called TranscribeMe. This is a real popular one. And again, you just go up here, and if you click on the Join as Transcriptionist, it'll open up, and then it'll give you some different information. So you can see, this site is recognized and recommended by some, pretty big names. They got some FAQs. Now, they do pay pretty well, okay? So they claim to have the industry's best rates, starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour. That is pretty good. And top monthly earnings, $2,200, with their average user is making $250 a month, okay? Now, I know these aren't get-rich-quick things, and that's not what we're talking about. What we're talking about is, making some extra money. $250 for a lot of people would go a long way. Pay, help towards your car payment, your mortgage, pay off, get you out of debt faster, save up for that vacation. So, and again, that's just average. So you can do better than $250 a month if you're willing to put in some time and effort. It's definitely there to do that. So again, they offer training. They have advancement opportunities for you. You don't need any kind of experience up front. It doesn't cost you anything to get started. And again, these two key words, they're hitting on the same thing. Everyone wants that freedom, time freedom, money freedom, and they want that flexibility. Okay. You can do short 1 to 2 minute clips, not necessarily super long things. And then they pay you via PayPal on a weekly basis. Okay. Again, good idea to go ahead and read through the FAQ here. How's it work? Now, this is interesting. So TranscribeMe doesn't necessarily say, hey, here's a 30-minute audio, transcribe the whole 30 minutes. Instead, they use crowdsourcing. So it's pretty cool, actually. So a client submits an audio. The audio file is, split up on average between 10 seconds to 1 minute. So you're not doing, all 30 minutes yourself. You're picking up, a clip, maybe a 20-second clip, a 30-second clip, a minute clip. Okay. And so, like I said, these chunks are made available on the Work Hub. You pick it up, and then once all those different clips have been transcribed by different people, and maybe you pick up more than one, you don't have to do just one, then they get all put back together and go through the quality assurance. So, you can pick up one or more of those clips, and it also, keeps you from being bored to death, transcribing a 30-minute audio file. Maybe you only have to do a minute or two, or you maybe pick up several, clips from that one file, and you end up doing 4 or 5 of them. So again, you just need a reliable internet connection, a computer, no fees. Now, I have seen sites where they actually, pay you, you pay them to take their exam, to make sure that you qualify. So you got to be careful with those. They're out there. And not that there's anything wrong with that. They're just trying to make sure you're serious by asking you to pay up front to take their exam. But there's a lot of them, like we just looked at with SpeechPad and TranscribeMe, where there isn't any fee. You don't have to pay to take their training or to register, etc. You get paid via PayPal. That's the only method they have right now. It's very flexible. There's no minimum or maximum hours. So they're not going to cap you either, okay? That's the other thing. So it's good you don't have a minimum, so if you're on vacation, you don't feel like you got to, keep up with it. So that's awesome. But there's also no maximum. So you can, as long as you can just pick up jobs and do an awesome job, you can do very well. So these two, again, we looked at SpeechPad and TranscribeMe, are two really well-known transcription services where you can easily make $20 an hour, $20 a day. I'm sorry, not necessarily an hour. That'd be awesome, but you can. So it's not unrealistic. We saw on SpeechPad, you could their lowest rate equates to $15 an hour. So you could easily be making $20 to $50 a day. And again, like most of these, as you get better, you do a better job, then you start making more. And so definitely jump on here and take advantage of some of these transcription services. Start making some good money every day. Now, I told you what we talked about here were just 2 out of 6 different highly recommended transcription services. Well, the other 4 are in a report that I have. The link is going to be in the description box below. Click on that link and that'll take you to a report. Now, this report covers 6 different ways to make money online. And what we talked about today is just one of those methods. and that's doing online transcription. We covered 2 sites that do transcription. There's 4 more sites covered in the report. And there's also 4 other ways that show you how to make money online, and they all have links, like here, that take you to the reputable sites on how to do this. So grab the report. It's in the description box below. Well worth your time. I hope this helps you. Again, please, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll keep making these videos for you, see if we can help you get that time, flexibility, and freedom that we also want so much. Thanks so much and have a great day.